two colleagues working in the same industry for the same organization, the Jamaica Information Service JIS. One in photography, the other in television production, both driven by a similar passion and have mastered their craft with expert precision. Meet Dave Reid and Seaton Richards, who were recognized by the government for contributions in their respective fields.
Mr. Laverne Seaton Richards, Badge of Honor for Meritorious Service, for dedicated contribution of 50 years to media production and television broadcasting at the Jamaica Information Service.
I feel very proud, honored, and humbled. Naturally, to be honored by your country is the highest honor that one can get.
Photojournalist and JIS team member Dave Reid has captured thousands of priceless historical moments in service to his country.
I feel proud and honored to be recognized by my peers and the country for the work that I've done. It's empowering, and I feel that now I have to do more to have people feel the same way I have.
The commitment to excellence by both Mr. Reid and Mr. Richards has earned them the respect of their colleagues and other industry professionals.
Gentlemen, Mr. Richards, Mr. Reid, I am so proud of you. Thank you for your contribution to the growth and development of the Jamaica Information Service. We are here because of your input.
And Mr. Richards has been awarded by Jamaica. Oh God, it's timely. He deserves it. Just the persona, the measure of the man, he endears himself to everyone.
Dave Reid has been a significant part of my career as a photographer. Dave Reid is the one who taught me photography, and I congratulate him for receiving this award.
Mr. Richards came to the JIS in 1975 as the youngster, straight out of the National Youth Service. Initially, he wanted to become a pilot, but all that changed as he became immersed in television production.
At the time, you could not work in a government service without serving out your youth service. So that's what I decided to do. And after being employed, after about 2 years of service, I enjoyed it so much that I decided that I would just stay, because the Jamaica Information Service at the time and the job entails meeting people, flying all over the country and also over the world. Therefore, my initial feeling or my initial wanting to be a pilot, it got lost, and I just become involved and engrossed in the job so much that that became second nature. And as they say, the rest is history.
Just like Seaton, who chose television production over his initial career path, Dave also made a U-turn from being a graphic artist to becoming a photographer.
Donna Ingrid Zaka, my tutor at Jamaica School of Art, now Edna Manley, showed me interest in photography, and from that I just went into it.
The passion that kept me going was the fact that the job offered so many things. You met a lot of people from different areas, from different strata of the society, and I found to say that being a person that can challenge yourself, it brings the best out of you, and that's what I really enjoy.
Prior to receiving the Order of Distinction in the rank of officer, Mr. Richards also received the Governor General's Medal of Honor in 2023, the Badge of Honor for Meritorious Service in 2013, Veterans Award for Distinguished Service to Media and Journalism by the Press Association of Jamaica PAJ in 2010, and was second runner-up for Civil Servant of the Year in 2011. Of his 36 years in photojournalism, Mr. Reid has dedicated 27 to the government service, where he continues to grow in his craft. His entry into photojournalism began in 1988 at the Jamaica Record. He stayed there until 1994, then spent the next 4 years at the Jamaica Herald Limited before moving on to the now defunct Jamaica Press, Jam Press, where he worked from 1998 to 2001. He joined the JIS in 2001 when JamPress was subsumed into the agency and is now a vital part of the editorial and photography team. Mr. Reid dedicates the milestone achievement of a national award to his late parents, who instilled in him the unwavering belief that with hard work, nothing is out of reach.
My father just recently passed, and I know it was something that he would have loved to see. So none of my parents saw this, and I really hope that they would have.
Prior to receiving the Badge of Honor for Meritorious Service, Mr. Reid copped 5 Press Association of Jamaica PAJ awards and certificates. His first award was the 1989 Aston Roden Award for Human Interest Photography in his first year in the profession. Both Seaton and Dave say they are as passionate about their job today as when they started.